Hi everyone, I'm Julie Webb and welcome to another edition of UC Tech Chat. Today I'm joined with Matthew Hilton and we're going to be talking about the benefits of on-premises phone systems for your business. So Matthew, what are the compelling reasons why someone would choose an on-premises solution versus a cloud solution?
Sure. So I think the first major benefit is really controlling your own costs. So by having an on-premises solution, you're able to get an upfront cost, an upfront quote, and you can figure out what the lifespan of that equipment is going to be. And then you don't have to worry about recurring costs over and over again, month to month. So really it turns the whole experience into a kind of buy at one time, figure out what the life cycle is going to be, and that way you can control your costs.
Businesses love to control costs. So can you talk a little bit more about how on-premises would help control costs?
Sure. So an on-premise solution allows you to take a total cost of ownership approach and realize the benefits up front. So it's a capital expense, so you're able to amortize that cost over the lifespan of the equipment. So rather than paying a recurring fee over and over again every month, every year, you can really figure out what that cost is going to be up front, and then you can shape your project plan based on that. So whether that's controlling installation expenses, whether you decide to turn on certain modules or configurations, you really control the entire piece of that project.
So bringing the PBX on site sounds like there's several benefits, but it also sounds like it might be a little complicated.
Sure, and in the past that was definitely part of the problem, was that you really had to be a telecom expert and a wiring expert in order to install legacy type systems. So today, because they're all unified communication solutions, most can be configured and set up with just a simple web browser, and you really don't have to be an expert. So really it actually takes a lot of the complexity out of the piece for you, and even non-IT people, non-telecom people are able to do simple things like moves, adds, and changes on their own.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for another edition of UC Tech Chat. We'll see you the next time.